Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making Inferno Wings from Regular Show.
For this recipe, we need fried chicken seasoning, black pepper, chili powder, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, Kelly hot barbecue sauce, ground fermented black garlic, and 4 pounds of chicken wings. Preheat your air fryer toaster oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, place your chicken wings and first drizzle some olive oil. Then toss in 2 tablespoons of fried chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and a tablespoon of cumin. Then mix all these together to have a killer rub for the wings. If you want these wings to be nice and flavorful, let them marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While the wings are marinating in the fridge, it's time to make the Black Widow venom by pouring in 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of ground fermented black garlic and mix until you get the right consistency. Now it's time to make the Inferno sauce. You can either use a cup of hot sauce or make your own spicy sauce. I'm using the Kelly hot barbecue sauce sponsored by Brown Bear Good Mood Food. Then after that, put in about a teaspoon of the Black Widow venom and mix. Just to let you guys know, the Kelly hot barbecue sauce is supposed to be the hot magma extract. Now that the wings have escaped from retirement, it's time to air fry these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Another good thing to do is to flip these halfway through until they're crispy and cooked through.
Alright, the wings are finally done. And now it's time to toss it in the Inferno sauce.
These wings look too beautiful to eat. And also, if you're wondering how to say Inferno wings in Spanish, it's alitas infernales. Alright, the Inferno wings are done. I'm gonna try them now and I won't cap. Okay, I honestly thought that this was going to be super spicy, and it is a bit spicy because of the Kelly hot barbecue sauce, and that sauce is supposed to have a kick to it. At first, you don't really taste the spiciness, but later on, it'll come to you. The smell kind of reminds me of a good cookout that people have during the summer, or some barbecue place that people go to from time to time. But taste-wise, because we put the hot magma extract, aka the Kelly hot barbecue sauce, it actually tastes really good. And the Black Widow venom, aka the ground black garlic oil, doesn't really add any flavor whatsoever. But these are still some tasty, somewhat spicy wings. And guys, don't be alarmed, but my head is starting to sweat from the spiciness.
Oh, the spiciness is coming. Oh gosh. And you know what they say, for these, no blue cheese, because that's part of the challenge. But this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.